Do you want to be like her? Well, with increasing carbon dioxide concentrations, this will be a common occurrence in the near future. So our company's strategy is to counter the reduction of carbon sinks by artificially cultivating them in the form of phytoplankton blooms, otherwise known as eutrophication. Introducing the Planktoblanket.
So what is Planktoblanket?
Well, they are massive and large-scale green phytoplankton blanket that we are going to grow in different water bodies around the world.
So how does it work?
The science behind it is simple. To help you understand, take a look at the following video.
Human activities are altering the carbon cycle, both by increasing carbon dioxide to the atmosphere and by removing carbon sinks like forests. Carbon dioxide lets the light energy in from the sun but doesn't let all of the heat out, similar to a greenhouse. If this continues, average temperature of the Earth will increase by about 1.1 to 6.4 degrees Celsius by the end of the century. This doesn't sound like much,
but even a change of 1 degree Celsius will bring about devastating effects.
Carbon sinks are natural systems in the Earth. They can help reduce carbon dioxide. A carbon sink absorbs more carbon than it releases. One major carbon sink is the ocean, which is a habitat for phytoplankton, and through the process of photosynthesis, it absorbs carbon dioxide to be locked into organic compounds. Carbon is consumed by phytoplankton, which can then be consumed by zooplankton and other creatures. The carbon is then transferred to different layers of the ocean through different routes. When these organisms die, the carbon is then carried into the deep ocean. Worldwide, this biological carbon pump transfers about
10 gigatons
of carbon from the atmosphere to the deep ocean each year. Even small increases in phytoplankton would feed back to lower global surface temperatures by reducing atmospheric carbon dioxide concentrations.
Therefore, if this is already occurring naturally, why not target lakes from around the world to carry out our revolutionizing project on a massive scale? Take what we already have and multiply it by a factor of 1,000. That is Planktoblanket. It will provide jobs, drive the economy, and most importantly, help save the planet. This technology is sure to change the world and improve your future. So let's work together to reduce carbon dioxide concentrations on Earth. That is why I need your unconditional support to convince your government to grant permission and spearhead the use of your lakes for this unprecedented and world-altering project. Planktoblanket, the world's best solution for its worst problem.